In this video, we've gathered an epic collection of mind-blowing accessories and gear that'll make you the coolest person in town. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's dive into the future of tech. Couch Console Cup Holder Tray. Snacking has never been easier. Introducing the ultimate organizer, the Couch Console Cup Holder Tray, with dedicated compartments for your drinks, snacks, phone, and remote control. Imagine this. Movie night just got a major upgrade. The best part? You can customize it however you like to fit your specific needs. It's perfect for gamers, binge watchers, and even for remote work setups. Worried about spills on your couch or bed? Don't be. Our self-balancing cup holder, powered by gyroscopes, keeps your drink upright no matter how you move it. This is not just a cup holder, it's a game changer for keeping your space neat and organized. It even comes with a phone stand so you can stream hands-free, plus a USB-C charging cable to keep your devices powered up. And if something doesn't fit, there's an extra hidden compartment inside for added convenience. Who would have thought snacking could be this simple? Say goodbye to mess and hello to a more relaxing snacking experience. Your lazy days just got a whole lot lazier. X-Jimmy Horizon Ultra Projector. Meet your gateway to cinematic excellence right at home. The X-Jimmy Horizon Ultra Projector. This isn't just another projector. It's a long-throw projector that brings the brilliance of Dolby Vision HDR right to your living room. Imagine watching your favorite movies, shows, or even gaming in a whole new light. With dazzling brightness, rich colors, and a wide contrast ratio, it's designed to make every scene pop. Thanks to its dual light laser LED system, you get the best of both worlds, crisp visuals with an extensive color range, precise color metrics, and dynamic adjustments for exceptional picture quality. Whether it's a weekend movie marathon or an impromptu game night, this projector transforms any space into a cinema. Plus, with smart capabilities and a user-friendly interface, it's not just a projector, it's a complete home theater experience. Get ready to transform your home into a theater and enjoy the magic of movies like never before. Don't just watch it, live it. Pixie Mini, smallest power bank. Ever wished you had a pocket-sized hero to save your devices when you're out and about? Well, meet Pixie Mini, the ultra-compact power bank that's here to rescue your gadgets from low battery emergencies. It's smaller than a credit card, but don't let its size fool you. This tiny powerhouse packs a serious punch. Whether you need Type-C or standard USB, Pixie Mini's got you covered. Imagine you're in the middle of an intense workout, listening to your favorite hype tracks, and suddenly, your earbuds die on you. Frustrating, right? Well, Pixie Mini steps in to breathe new life into your earbuds, ensuring the rhythm of your workout stays uninterrupted. It can also charge 2 devices at once, making it perfect for travelers, busy professionals, or anyone on the go. Think of it as your portable power lifeline. Plus, its sleek design and vibrant colors make it a stylish accessory to carry around. Pixie Mini, a small but powerful companion for all your adventures. Don't leave home without it. Rain cloud humidifier, water drip. Ever dreamt of drifting to sleep to the soothing sound of raindrops? Imagine creating your own peaceful oasis with the Rain Cloud Humidifier Water Drip. This isn't just a humidifier. It's a sensory experience designed to bring the tranquil sounds of nature right to your bedside. It not only fills your space with lovely fragrances and a serene atmosphere, but also helps you peacefully doze off. Perfect for enhancing your sleep quality, it mimics the relaxing sound of rainfall without any actual water mess. And no more worrying about puddles in the morning thanks to its sealed design. All the water stays inside the unit. With up to 24 hours of continuous operation, it's perfect for a full day of relaxation or focused work. The mist and light functions are separate, so you can choose to use it as a calming nightlight or a mood enhancer during your yoga sessions. Imagine enjoying a spa-like ambiance right in your living room. So, if you love dining on the couch or relaxing in bed with a good book, this is your new best friend. Drift away in comfort. 86 Lux Reading Light. Embrace the magic of reading with the 86 Lux Reading Light. For all the book lovers out there, we know there's nothing quite like the feel of a paperback in your hands, and this lamp is here to enhance that experience. Whether you're reading in bed, camping, or just lounging on the couch, this portable light has got your back. It offers 3 light modes: cool white, warm white, and a natural daylight option, along with 3 brightness settings to protect your eyes and reduce strain. Imagine cozying up with your favorite book for hours without worrying about battery life, as this reading light gives you an impressive 80 hours of operation on a single charge. And it's as light as a feather, weighing just 60 grams, making it easy to clip onto your book or Kindle. It's also patented and CE certified, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. Dive into your reading adventures with enhanced illumination and style. The world of books just got a whole lot brighter. A Sobu Dog Buddy Bottle. Making pet walks more enjoyable just got easier. If you're a pet owner, you know the struggle of carrying water bottles and bowls for your furry friend. Introducing the Asobu Dog Buddy Bottle, a convenient all-in-one solution with detachable bowls for water and snacks. This bottle is designed to make outings with your furry companion a breeze, holding up to a liter of liquid enough for both your dog and you. Whether you're hiking, jogging, or just taking a stroll around the block, this bottle is your go-to accessory. The unique paw-shaped handle is not only cute, but makes it easy to carry even during long walks. And you can choose from 5 different colors to match your style or your pup's personality. Say goodbye to plastic waste from disposable cups, and hello to sustainable, hassle-free pet adventures. Joy Resolve, Barrisseur Tea and Coffee Alarm Clock. Start your day with joy and aroma. Meet the Joy Resolve Barrisseur Tea and Coffee Alarm Clock. This is not just an alarm clock, it's a full-on wake-up experience. Imagine waking up to the fresh smell of your favorite brew, prepared right on your bedside table before you even open your eyes. How cool is that? Just load your tea leaves or coffee grounds the night before and let the Barrisseur do the rest. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality, resembling a mini laboratory, complete with a glass milk container and a refrigerated compartment to keep your ingredients fresh. And that's not all, it has a built-in USB port to charge your devices overnight. With 3 modes to choose from, you can fully customize your wake-up experience. Whether you're a coffee lover or a tea enthusiast, this gadget is the perfect blend of convenience and elegance. Comfy Air. Introducing Comfy Air, the game changer in home comfort. This compact, easy-to-install device is perfect for those who want to enhance their living space without the hassle. Whether you need to cool down on a hot summer day or warm up in winter, Comfy Air has got you covered. It's whisper quiet, operating at just 42 decibels, so you can enjoy peaceful sleep or work without any distractions. The temperature range from 16 to 30 degrees Celsius ensures year-round comfort. With 2 airflow speeds, you can adjust it to your preference, whether it's for quick cooling after a workout or gentle warmth during a chilly evening. Weighing only 8 kilograms, it's easy to move from room to room, giving you flexibility and convenience. So, which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to keep up with the latest in tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep rocking the future.